French Christmas dinners, or le Réveillon, are a feast of flavors, blending luxury, tradition, and regional specialties. The meal's centerpiece and supporting dishes reflect the French dedication to culinary artistry. Here are 5 of the most popular choices, showcasing the diversity of a festive French table. Foie gras. A symbol of indulgence, foie gras is an essential part of French Christmas celebrations. Made from duck or goose liver, it is prized for its smooth texture and rich, buttery flavor. Often served as a starter, foie gras is paired with toasted brioche or rustic bread, alongside sweet accompaniments like fig chutney or fruit compote. Its luxurious nature makes it a statement dish, representing the elegance of French gastronomy. Chapon rôti. The centerpiece of many French Christmas dinners, chapon rôti, or roast capon, is a succulent alternative to turkey. Capon, a castrated rooster, has tender, juicy meat that absorbs flavors beautifully when roasted. The bird is often seasoned with herbs, garlic, and butter, then stuffed with chestnuts, mushrooms, or seasonal vegetables. Its golden, crispy skin and moist interior make it a showstopper that delights family and friends. Coquilles Saint-Jacques. Coquilles Saint-Jacques, or scallops in cream sauce, bring a touch of the sea to Christmas menus. These delicate mollusks are baked in individual dishes or scallop shells, topped with breadcrumbs and parmesan for a golden crust. The velvety white wine and cream sauce enhances the scallop's natural sweetness, making it a refined dish perfect for the festive season. Gratin dauphinois. This creamy potato gratin is a beloved side dish, complementing roasted meats with its decadent texture and comforting flavors. Thinly sliced potatoes are layered with cream, milk, garlic, and nutmeg, then topped with Gruyere cheese. Its golden crust and rich interior elevate any main course, adding warmth and depth to the meal. Bûche de Noël. No French Christmas is complete without the bûche de Noël, or Yule log cake. Shaped like a log to symbolize the traditional burning Yule log, this dessert combines a light sponge with rich chocolate ganache or buttercream. Decorated with festive designs like sugared holly leaves, it's as visually stunning as it is delicious, ending the meal on a sweet note. Families often have the Yule log at their Christmas table, making it a cherished tradition.